You know what you have wrong.
Then I can't say it right.
Sensitivity.
So there you go. Dan said I need to go back because of my sensitivity. So at 12:40 you need to go back to the dentist and see the doctor for the sensitivity. There you go. And I have to come back like a month to do.
More than a month.
Okay, so I have to come back more than a month.
2 months.
So, or whatever. So I have to come back at January 29th to do a deep cleaning. That's gonna be sucks. I hate deep cleaning. Good morning everyone. So kagigising ko lang. Ang aga kong nagising ngayon. Anong oras na ba? It's 7:29 a.m. Oh, parang gusto ko pang matulog. So, ang aga kong nagising ngayon kasi may, ang tawag dito, naantok pa ako. May dentist appointment kami ngayon. So, kailangan kong gumising, mag-breakfast, and then, after breakfast, magre-ready na para sa dentist mamayang 9 o'clock. So, baba tayo guys. Maggagawa ako ng kape para magkape ako ng mabilisan. Tsaka magbe-breakfast ng mabilisan. And I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for dentist. Yeah. Good luck sa akin. Magkano? Good luck sa akin. Ilan kaya ang cavities ko? It's been like 6 months. I think last we went to the dentist 6 months already. So ito na yung cleaning. So ngayon cleaning ulit ng ipin. Yay! Good luck sa cavities ng ipin. But anyways, baba tayo guys. Gagawa ako ng coffee kasi ano na 7:30 na Kailangan, siguro mga alis kami ng mga, basta 8:45. Diretso na kami sa dentist. Baba tayo. Good morning! Hey, say good morning, Danny boy.
Nope.
Why?
I'm gonna eat your irresponsibly bought, totally wrong bread combos.
Say good morning.
Nah, those suck. Don't buy these.
Why?
They just taste like pretzels. You can't even taste that they have something in them. See, look how tiny. Oh, bad focus, but it's tiny.
Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee. Gonna make my coffee and then coffee and eat. Oh, just a little bit. I'm scared with the tripod. Is it my bacon is still okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And maybe I want bacon. I'm gonna cook bacon. What? Magluto tayo ng bacon, guys.
Oh, there it is. Gotta go. Need one of these.
What is it?
Drop.
Yay, bacon. Magluto tayo ng bacon, guys. Alam nyo, kahapon binabad ko yung buhok ko sa oil. Hanggang ngayon, ang lambot pa rin ang buhok ko. Ang ganda. Madaling suklayin yung buhok kasi palagi Nahirapan akong suklayin yung buhok ko kasi palaging tangle on buhok ko. Hirap siyang suklayin. Kahapon binabad ko siya sa oil. Naligo ako kagabi bago matulog. Ang ganda, ang lambot. Gawin ko nga yan sometimes. Paminsan-minsan, lagyan ng oil yung buhok. Ang lambot sa buhok, promise. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ng bacon. Mabilisan para sa breakfast. Ang dami ko na naman hugasin, guys. Ayan. Ayan. I have a lot
of money.
Not
Dollars.
Not money. I have a
Rice.
lot of dirty plates to wash later. Tsaka ang ganda ng ayan yung view guys sa labas. Parang ang ganda. Tadan! Good morning, sunset. Naipiinit ko lang yung pan. Tapos ito na yung bacon. Nakain ako ng bacon mabilisan. Tapos mamaya, I need to set up my Christmas tree later.
Ain't got nothing to do with me.
But I don't know how I'm gonna set up my Christmas tree. There's a lot of junk out there.
Sure, don't show the bed.
Oh my god. So, I'm gonna set up my Christmas tree later, but I don't know what to do with all that stuff over there. Who want an extra monitor? I have two here. That's two extra monitor is still working.
Supposed to give one of those to Mom, I think.
So somebody need a computer? I'll give it
That's
to you.
not a computer. That's a monitor.
Somebody wants a monitor? I have two extra here. That's not mine. That's belong to my brother-in-law. Ka-upgrade niya lang yung computer niya. Ayan yung dalawang computer niya. Binagay niya yung computer niya. At saka yan yung...
Don't make fun of me.
Yan yung computer ni Dan. What you doing? I gotta check my bacon. I'll be back. Not yet. A little bit. Hindi ko alam kung... I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it in the dishwashing machine. All the dirty plates.
Sounds easy.
But I still have stuff in here. Inside. Well, I don't know. I'll figure it out later. Mainit na ata. Mainit na nga. Oh no! Bacon! I painted my nails last night though. I painted with red, my favorite. Guys, yung bacon. Naantay ko lang siya sa labas. My favorite. Saka, yung kape ko malapit na. My favorite. Teka, sige. Lulutuin ko lang guys yung bacon ha. And I'll be back. So guys, tapos na ako magluto. Tapos ko nang lutuin yung bacon. Tsaka nagluto ako ng 4 na itlog. And kakain muna kami guys. Ito yung food. So ayan yung kay Dan. Tapos ito naman yung sa akin. Bacon and egg. So, kakain lang po kami kasi may, may dentist appointment. It's, 8 o'clock already. It's 8:13 a.m. So, siguro mga alis kami ng bahay ng mga before, like 15 minutes before 9 o'clock kasi malapit lang yung dentist sa bahay. And yeah, kakain lang kami and I'll be back.
He is a chef, his playing cooking.
So now we're walking to the dentist. We're heading to the dentist.
So it's a huge honor, first of all, and I'm really grateful to give you this opportunity. The show is so special. I think people
So
will
we're
really
here.
fall in
Is it
love with
filming, honey?
Maybe.
visuals on
So we're
television,
here
seeing young
waiting
boys
to
and
call
gentlemen
our
and
name.
girls and
It's
ladies
dentist
working
time.
together, that
Yeah.
camaraderie between kids.
We'll
It's
see
like
how
really,
many
really
cavities
special.
I have.
9:05.
We'll see how many cavities I have.
As soon as like we started having kids, my wife and I, Ginger,
20.
our kid,
Oh
our
God,
son,
that's a
our
lot.
oldest is
That's
2.5. We're like, can
200?
we get them to want to get them
Maybe
into dance
5.
because of the experience
Do you
we had.
think they can see how many
You know,
cavities?
it's directed you
Like
in a certain
you
way,
have?
and you're the successful
Yeah.
guy. You and your brother both are two successful
Well,
guys.
really, they're just going to do a cleaning and ask if you have any pain. And if you have any pain in any of your teeth, you tell them.
Crucial for kids. It really
And then they'll do an x-ray of those spots.
Sometimes I have pain right here. Sometimes. Sometimes like I brush my teeth, I'm starting like
If hot or cold bothers you.
no.
No?
No. But
Well, even the brushing.
I eat like sweet candy and start chewing it on my teeth, like kind of sore.
Sore is...
How do you call that? It's not sore. I don't know. How do you call that? It's like I starting like feel weird when I eat candy.
A dull pain is like this.
Sensitive.
And a sharp pain is like pokey.
Like sensitive.
Like needles.
I know, sensitive.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
First came in and she won't get it and get one in 5 years.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? Doing good. So, nakauwi na kami. Good news. Yes, I don't have a cavities, but I still need to come back at 12:40 today to see the doctor because they see it on my x-ray that I'm bleeding a lot on my upper teeth. So, they want to make sure what's going on my upper teeth. So,
That's not why you're going back.
what?
You're going back because you have sensitivity on the bottom, and they want to see if it's because of your partials.
Are the same because I have my teeth upper teeth bleeding.
No, they're
Is that-
they're taking care of that in like
Later,
I don't know, whenever your appointment was.
January 29th.
Months.
So yes, what is that again, honey?
What?
The one that you said I have a
You know what you have wrong.
I can't say it right.
You have sensitivity.
So there you go. Dan said I need to go back because of my sensitivity. So at 12:40 you need to go back to the dentist and see the doctor for the sensitivity. There you go. And I have to come back like a month to do.
That's more than a month.
Okay, so I have to come back more than a month.
2 months.
So, or whatever. So I have to come back at January 29th to do a deep cleaning. That's gonna be sucks. I hate deep cleaning. They're gonna make your mouth numb so that they clean your teeth through the gums. Oh, I hate those. But good news, I don't have a cavities. Yay! Healthy teeth, no cavities today. So that's the good news, but I still need to come back today at 12:40 to see what's going on my sensitivity. But anyways, yay! That's it for my dentist update. Yan na, nalinisan na nila. Ang sarap ng feeling pagkatapos mong pumunta sa dentist, nalinisan yung ipin mo. Sarap ng feeling yung feeling mo healthy ulit yung ipin mo. But yeah, Wait ulit, pahinga ulit ng konti sa bahay. Tapos, balik ulit sa dentist. Later. What you doing, honey?
Reading really stupid posts.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So, hindi natuloy yung pagbalik namin sa dentist kanina. I'm supposed to be come back at 12:40 today. So the dentist called that if I can do it at 2 o'clock, and I said no. So my next schedule is December 5th para i-watch nila yung teeth ko sa taas ng teeth ko kasi nga tawag dito, it's bleed a lot, so gusto nilang tingnan ulit kung ano talaga yung dahilan ng pagbibleed ng ipin ko sa taas na, sa upper teeth ko. So yeah, so my next appointment is December 5 for checking my teeth, and so I'm decided to set up my Christmas tree today, because normally here in America they set up their Christmas tree after Thanksgiving. So I was busy a couple days ago, so I don't have time to set up my Christmas tree. So I'm thinking that today is a good time to set up my Christmas tree, and samahan niyo ako, kabit natin yung Christmas tree. So yeah. So ito guys yung Happy New Year. Hala, natupi na siya. Yan. Dalawa. Ginamit ko namin ito last year. Tapos socks. May pangalan ko, Christine. Tapos ito yung mga Christmas lights. Ito yung cute mug. Santa Claus. Just hit my microphone. Tsaka ito rin eh. Ang cute to. Ang ganda. Whoops. Snowman. Yan. Ano kaya gagamitin yung Christmas light? Ito iba-iba kasi yung kulay niya eh. Ano lang kaya? Yung puti lang. Ano lang kaya gamitin ko? We'll see. Ito na lang gamitin ko. Tapos last, ilagay natin tong tawag dito Christmas skirt. Yung sa ilalim, yung ilalagay mo sa ilalim. Ilagay natin siya sa ilalim. Dito. Dito guys. Yan. Natin siya sa ilalim. Ayan na siya. And ayun sa taas. I-ano lang natin, i-on natin yung lights. So, ayan na guys. I think that's it for today's video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog, everyone. Bye.